try there. I'm going to share some great activities that you can do with your children or with your class to help them learn the names of the vegetables and how to describe them. For the first activity, what I would do is pass around like the avocado in a circle, share what does it feel like, what do they see. I mean, this avocado is bumpy. I see lots of lines and bumps on it. And then they would each go around and share something like the color and so forth. Another thing you can do is, because it's real vegetables, is just do like a little taste test, and they can also share what it tastes like. Maybe even smell it. What does it smell like? Broccoli. For activity number 2, you can count the syllables in the word. So like carrot, say it like a robot, carrot, and then count it, carrot, 2 syllables. So I teach fingertips for 1 syllable, wrist for 2, by your elbow for 3, shoulders for 4, head for 5. Let's do cucumber, say it like a robot, cucumber, count it, cucumber. 1, 2, 3 syllables. For game number 3, we're going to play what is missing. But before we play it, let's review what items we have, because I only use 6 for this game. If it's easy for your kids, you could always add more later, but definitely just start with 6. And if that's too hard, then you can even do less. That is fine. So we have lettuce, a red onion, cucumber, carrots, cauliflower, and broccoli. Okay, so now you're going to close your eyes, and then I'm going to take one away. Close your eyes and no peeking. That is missing. Raise your hand. Did you say the cauliflower? That is correct. That means since you answered it, then it's your turn. So then you would take one vegetable away, and then we would all close our eyes and then raise our hands when you tell us to open our eyes. And we just keep playing. And then for game number 4, I am thinking of. So I am thinking of something that is crunchy and it is orange. So that one should be fairly easy because this is the only orange item that I have, as long as I know their colors. I am thinking of something that is leafy and it's green. What am I thinking of? I was thinking of my leafy lettuce over here. So game number 5 is a sorting game. First, to sort by color. So let's see, we're gonna put the green together. I grabbed my spinach as well. Red and red, that's okay. The red tomatoes with the red onion. We have an avocado, that's green, green pepper, and broccoli. Over there, orange, yellow, those are by themselves. And so I might ask them, well, which vegetable has the most of the same color? Obviously, we can quickly see green. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 green vegetables. Counting tomatoes as 1, there's 2 red, 1 orange, 1 yellow. You could also ask which vegetable has the least. Well, that's the carrot and the pepper, the yellow pepper. So you can sort by other things as well. So you can sort by like vegetables that grow under the ground, vegetables that grow above the ground. You could do by shape, so like round or close to a round shape, put those together. So there's so many different ways that you can sort that gives them practice with descriptive vocabulary. So this is a great activity to do with your students. For this last activity with the students, I would sort vegetables with fruit to make sure they understand that as well. So start teaching fruit and then vegetables and then combine it together to make it full circle. All right, so I'm going to go because I am going to make a salad with all of these items. So if I was in the classroom, I would have the kids make it with me. I use butter knives. They're not that sharp. The kids are good. I mean, they've been fine with them even in kindergarten for cutting things. And then we chop a salad. Even children who are reluctant to eat vegetables, when they are involved in the process in making it, they're way more likely to eat it or to at least try it. So if you have a child who doesn't like vegetables, give it a try. And I wouldn't force anyone to eat it if they don't want to, but children need many exposures before food feels okay to eat. Their taste buds are more sensitive than ours, so I think to have a little bit of grace if they really don't like something. That's my opinion. You might disagree with me. So thank you for listening, and stay tuned and stay lovely. Until next time.